Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the GitHub Education Packful Guide. This incredible resource offers students free access to many professional development tools and services, valued at hundreds of dollars annually. To qualify, you must be currently enrolled in a degree-granting program at an accredited institution, demonstrating your student status with valid documentation like a school ID or enrollment letter. This pack is designed to support your learning journey and help you build essential skills for your future career. Applying for your GitHub Education Pack is a straightforward process, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. First, visit the GitHub Education website and locate the Student Benefit Application form. You will need to provide proof of your current academic enrollment, such as an official school email address or a scanned copy of your student identification card. After submission, verification usually takes a few days, and then you will receive an email confirming your access to all the fantastic benefits. The Education Pack unlocks a vast array of valuable tools, providing access to over 90 different offers from leading technology companies. Imagine getting free licenses for integrated development environments, cloud hosting credits, and even domain names for your personal projects. These resources empower you to develop real-world applications, learn new programming languages, and collaborate effectively with your peers. Many of these tools would cost hundreds of dollars individually, making this pack incredibly beneficial for aspiring developers. To truly maximize your GitHub Education Pack, begin by exploring all the available offers and activating those most relevant to your studies. Don't hesitate to experiment with new software and services. This is your chance to learn without financial barriers. Consider contributing to open-source projects using your new tools, building practical experience, and expanding your professional network. Make the most of these opportunities to enhance your technical skills and stand out in the competitive job market.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.